Would you use this like small? Just put everything in the oven, Carl.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to customize your thumbnails on your YouTube videos using only your phones without the hassle of using your laptops or computers. So to know more about it, keep on watching this video, and without further ado, let's start! So the first thing you're gonna do when you verify your account is you need to go to your Google app or your Chrome app in your Android phone. So now I'm gonna press it. On your search engine or the search bar of your phone, press it and search for youtube.com. So this is it. So at this moment, I'm gonna need you to go to this upper right side of your screen. So as you can see, there's a red button arrow thing like there, and press this desktop side. So it will gonna look like you're using your laptops or your computers. So yes, while waiting for it to load. And by the way, I'm using my boyfriend's Gmail account or YouTube account because I'm already verified. My YouTube channel is already verified. So now go to this upper right side of your screen again and press this channel. Press your channel, and mine is this R thing. Then go to the settings. So I'm gonna zoom it out so you can see the appearance of it. So now I'm gonna zoom it in. So press this channel status and features. So now this will gonna be appear on your YouTube screen, and I'm gonna zoom it in to under your name, and obviously press this verify thing, the blue rectangle thing on your screen. So yep, this is the moment where you're gonna fill out those forms or what Google asked you to do, and the YouTube will gonna ask you how they should deliver the verification code to you. So whether they will call you with an automated voice message or they're gonna text you the verification code. So in my case is when I get to verify my YouTube account is I chose this text me the verification thing. So because I feel like this is gonna an easy way. So type your phone number. Yep. Then you're gonna press the submit thing. So after that, text message with your verification code has been sent. So at this moment, you're gonna have to wait. So yep, it's finally here, the YouTube verification code. So it's 189189091. So you're gonna have to submit it after you type your verification code. So yes, good news, finally you are already verified. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. So press this continue thing. Yes sir. So as you can see, your account is already verified now. So this is the benefits, this is the advantages when your account is already verified. You can upload, and when you post videos, it can be now into a longer one. You can now upload videos longer than 15 minutes, unlisted and private videos. And now this is what we are waiting for. We can now customize our thumbnails when we edit our YouTube. So when you're done, let's go to your legit YouTube app on your Android phone. So after we verify our YouTube account, assuming that we're gonna upload a new video to our YouTube channel, let's go to our YouTube app. So now, as you can see on the upper part of your screen, there's a video like icon on the top of it, and you're gonna have to press it for you to upload a video. choose anything on your gallery, for example this one. When I already pressed the video I like to post on the YouTube, I just disregard this thing over here and just go upload it right away, and this will gonna take time to upload. So as you can see, your video is ready to watch. Then after that, you need to go to the YouTube studio, so you can now edit your YouTube video and can put customized thumbnails, whatever you want to put. So right at this moment, I'm now using my iPhone because I cannot install the YouTube studio on my Android phone due to an insufficient storage. So now let's go to the YouTube studio, and this will gonna appear on your screen. So as you remember, this is the video we uploaded earlier, and now press that upper right part of your screen, the pencil thingy, to edit your video. So now you're gonna have to edit the thumbnail. So yeah, the main point of this video is to how we gonna customize our thumbnails in our YouTube videos. So I'm gonna be choosing a picture for my thumbnail. So Ashumi, I'm gonna choose this. Oh, hi babe. So yeah, after that you're gonna have to put title of your video. So like Ashumi, you're gonna have to put adventure, and you're gonna have to add like description, whatever you like to write on it. Yeah, press your privacy and to public, and tags, whatever you like to put on it. So I know you already know that thing. Now press on save. So like saving changes, you're gonna have to wait for it. So done, finally edit our video like adventure thing. So now let's review YouTube channel. So yeah, we're gonna have to switch it on my babe's YouTube channel. So now let's go to our channel, my videos. So yeah, it's finally here, our first video on our YouTube account. Yep, this is our YouTube channel already. Yay, so happy.
So yes guys, that's it. So we already know how to verify our YouTube account, customize our thumbnails on our YouTube videos, and I hope you learned something from it, and I hope my explanation's fine and you're gonna have to cope up with the easy steps I told you to do so. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on my upcoming YouTube videos, and for more tutorials I think, and for more personal videos. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you get knowledge from it. So that's it for today. Bye!
Seeds with the YZ, I paint with different colors and never in the lines. There isn't any other. I am the prototype.